If you meet up with my video, please follow this account. I teach JSS Mathematics grade 7, 8, and 9. So I have this triangle here. This is a right-angled triangle. Why did I say it's a right-angled triangle? This sign here, this sign at this end, it means this is 90 degrees. And such kind of a triangle is a right-angled triangle. Now, I'm supposed to find the length of CD. I have the length of AB, the length of AD, but the length of BD is not complete. I only have B and C, which is 5 centimeters. Now, in this case of this kind of a triangle, a right-angled triangle, there's something we call Pythagoras Theorem. Pythagoras Theorem. According to this, side A squared plus B squared equals C squared, right? This means that AB squared plus BD squared should give me AD squared. Are we together? So can we replace that and say side AB, which is the A according to this formula, side BD, which is the B according to this, and AD, the hypotenuse, according to this formula, is usually C, right? So that means that if I square 7, right, I add B squared should give me 25 squared. Are we together? So that means 49 plus B squared is equal to 625, right? To just square 25 times 25 and 7 times 7. That means 49 plus B squared equals 625, right? Take this 49 to this other side, which means B squared equals 625. I subtract 49, right? Are we together? So 625, I subtract 49. 625, I subtract 49. That is, so B squared equals 576, right? Find the square root of both sides. The square root of B squared is what? Is B. The square root of 576 is what? Is 24, right? So the length of B to D is 24. But now you are asked the length of B of CD, right? You've already been given BC. So you need that length of CD. So what do? You take 24, you subtract 5 to give you 19 what? 19 centimeters. So the length of CD is 19 centimeters, right? Then you are supposed to find the area of the triangle. So as I said, there is a video on my YouTube channel that teaches the area, how the formulas of the area, and there is another one which talks about shows how to calculate the areas, okay? So the area, how to find the area of a triangle is a half times base times height. Are we together? So in this case, we have our height as 7 centimeters and our base as 24 centimeters, right? So you're supposed to just replace it and say a half times 7 times 24 equals, then we say by 2, 1 by 2 is 12. 12 times 7, that is 84 centimeters squared. Do not forget the units. Please follow.